Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are ready for a new week of distance learning. This week on Guided Reading, we're going to be looking at a new book. But first, let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. I have made a video explaining each reading strategy for you so that you can go back to it. You can use any of the strategies to help you with your reading, but the ones I want you to look at are your eagle eye and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you use photos and pictures in the book to help you with your reading, and your stretchy snake is when you stretch out the sounds in the word and you go back and say the sounds together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake all together. Food chain. F, U, D, Ch, A, N. You have a go for me? Fantastic, well done. Let's have a go one more time. Food chain. F, U, D, Ch, A, N. Good job, well done. The book that we're going to be looking at this week is called Who Eats Who? So boys and girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Who eats who? Food chains. All living things are part of food chains. Yes, all living things, big and small, plants and animals. A food chain is made when one living thing eats another living thing, and that living thing eats another, and that living thing eats another. Why do living things eat each other? All living things need food. It helps them grow and gives them energy. So this food chain goes grass, which is alive, is eaten by a snail is eaten by a frog, and a frog is eaten by a fox. Don't break the chain. Every link in a food chain is important. Grass is important to lions even though they don't eat it. This food chain starts with grass. Zebras are herbivores. They eat grass. Without grass, zebras wouldn't have anything to eat and they would die. Lions are carnivores. They eat zebras. Without zebras and other herbivores, the lions wouldn't have anything to eat either. Yuck! I don't eat grass, but without grass there would be no zebras for me to eat. All chained together. Food chains happen everywhere. You'll find them in hot places and in cool places. In hot places, the plants are eaten by insects, the insects are eaten by lizards, and the lizards are eaten by snakes. Snakes are camouflaged. Their skin matches their environment so lizards can't see them coming. In cold places, shrimps are eaten by Arctic cod, Arctic cods are eaten by seals, and seals are eaten by polar bears. Polar bears wait for seals near holes in the ice. You're in the food chain too. Humans are in the food chains too. Yes, that means you. Humans are omnivores. They can eat plants, meat, and fish. Corn is eaten by a chicken. Chicken is eaten by human. Humans usually buy meat instead of hunting it. Humans usually cook meat before eating it. Some humans choose not to eat meat. They are called vegetarians. Does the food chain end? There is a pattern in food chains. A carnivore such as a lion or a fox is usually at the top of the food chain. This is because these animals are excellent hunters or predators. The grizzly bear is a predator, but this food chain does not end with the grizzly bear. No, a food chain never ends. When a grizzly bear dies, it is eaten by bugs in the ground. They break it down in the soil and make it into food for the plants. Then the chain starts again. Who eats who? Yes, all living things are in food chains, from lions to insects to you. Now take a look back through this book and remember who eats who. Now that I've finished reading the book, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, don't forget you can rewind the video and listen to me read it, or down here on Oxford Owl you have the audio button, where they will play it for you. This week in guided reading we are doing another word search, so to access your word search you just need to click the link that I give in your portfolio and it will lead you to this page. To enter the word search you need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded you need to press start again and then have a go at finding these words in your word search for me. Don't forget to send me a picture. Enjoy and have fun.